Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about rhyming words. Let's see what are the rhyming words. What are the rhyming words? Rhyming words are two or more words that have the same or similar ending sound. Let's take few examples of rhyming words. Goat, boat, float, coat. So these are the rhyming words which have same oat ending sound. Okay, let's see when do we see rhyming words. Children, we see rhyming words in stories, poems and songs. Rhyming words help the story, poem or song sound more fun and interesting. These words help you to memorize a story, poem or song more easily. Take an example of alphabet song. Wow! Let's sing alphabet song along with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Wow! Children, alphabet song becomes so easy to memorize through rhyming sounds. Now, differentiate between what are the rhyming words and the words that do not rhyme. Say the word in chart out loud and practice listening to words that rhyme and words that do not rhyme. Let's see in first chart words that rhyme. Hat, bat, fun, sun, bee, sea, honey, money. Here in the second chart, I have given you the words which do not rhyme. Like say jump, star, silly, sick, boy, girl, live, train. So these are not the rhyming words. Now, find out the words which are the rhyming word of good. So you can say could is the rhyming word of good, should, hood, would, would, stood, understood, childhood. Many more are there, but I have taken this example. Now, children, we can frame any song, any story by using any of the rhyming words, right? So, let's create one short story that will be rhyme with the word good. So here is one short story of a boy, David. Let's find out what happens with him when he doesn't listen to his parent. Each day, David would go out into the wood. It was a place where a great castle once stood. David was also known to not to do what he should. His mother told him he ought to take his hood. David laughed like any proud child would. David left without his hood. He fled through the grounds where the castle stood. But David's mother was right about taking a hood. His hair caught in brambles that scratched what they could. David returned home like any injured child would. He hugged his mother because he now understood. Parents give warnings because they remember childhood. Children, here in this story, I have used different words that go along with good, that are rhyme with good. So here you can say would, stood, should, hood, would, stood, could, understood, childhood are the rhyming words. Let's find out some more rhyming words. Here, pair of rhyming words you can see in this chart. You can say cat is the rhyming word for hat, sun for run, hot, pot, pig, wig, pet, jet, fan and van. Try out making the new rhyming words with some sound family. So we have here taken very first add sound family. So children, what is this picture? This picture is called CAD. Computer aid design. Now you can see in this picture there is some design made on computer. So this type of design are called CAD. So the same way, if you will say rhyming word for add family, can say cad, sad, mad, glad. When you are happy, you are glad. Dad, your father is dad. Had, lad, lad is a boy. Glad and pad. Let's move further. Words that rhyme with ek sound. Fake. So, children, what is the meaning of fake? Which is not true. Rake. Some gardening tool is called rake. Snake. Bake, lake, wake. And handshake. Shake. So, these are the words which are rhyming word of lake sound. Words that rhyme with M. Clam. Clam means a shell. Ram. Ram means a male sheep. Jam. Jam you like the most, right? Yam. Dam and clam. Now children, it's practice time. So, you have to write all the words you know that rhyme with the word sky. You have to write it in your English book. Take your own time and you can write afterwards also. Read these words. Read along with me. Mop, flop, plop, flag. Read it? Now, which of these does not rhyme? Read it again and do it later on. Now, fun time. Read the words aloud. If they rhyme, raise your hand. If they do not, shake your head. Drum, dress. Bar, car. Mop, hop. Wow, it's so interesting. Now the last thing. Look around your house to find the objects that have rhyming words. Try making a short rhyme on it and be ready. Once we will meet, I'll ask you about your rhyme. Thank you.